Hi, welcome back to the Noodle Show. I got my noodle. Noodle says today we're gonna learn about air horns. So I'm gonna show you what the air horn sounds like. Shh, very quiet. That's an air horn. You would think... Okay, so I got this one from Dollar Tree. And it goes... Well, it can't work because you're clogging up the air. And it's going to make it go back down. So, see? Do not use near ears. Got it? Or you'll go deaf. I'm not going to go deaf. If I just do that and I'm not blowing it. But look. Here's the thing. With air horns, it's very different. So, let's just say I was like a manager, sitting right here. There's a basketball game going on, boom, boom, boom. I have an air horn to see when it's going to finish. So this is what it's going to sound like. Game done. That's it today for the air horn.